All right, here's some more Hart tools. Um, I'm gonna list a bunch of. I'm gonna show pictures of a bunch of ones that were sold out that I couldn't find. This is one of the ones I could find. So after this, I'll show a bunch of those links too. But these are impact links. The only thing cool is they come in a case. Here's your UPC. I'll show the UPCs and the other products that are also on clearance in the tools area. Let's open this up. This isn't gonna. You got your fancy part number. Halves 15. And this is an odd way to do the case. Most other people do a folding case that comes out half this size. So here's your bits that are in there. Is this one listed a lifetime warranty? No. Down here they usually show the warranty. When are you gonna have a warranty on a bit? On an impact bit, because eventually you're gonna break it. See if any bits will fall out. Probably in there pretty tight. Oh, they have a case. That's the color. Yeah, boy. Not that really doesn't mean crap. So basically what you guys you have. This allows for twisting. That's basically what these do. They have a twist zone. Torque stress zone. These don't. So they just got a fancy blue thing on there. Oh, that's cool. So let's use this. Oink. All right. So you mini square head. What? These square heads that I don't think I've ever seen a square head one. So I don't know. Those are useless. I don't know. I've never seen a square head. Yeah, I don't know. I guess these things are all mostly useless tools that are in here. So I'll go and I'll show you the list of all the other ones that are in there. Yeah, you got a case. No use for any of those, so that eliminates that one. No use for that. I mean, these Allens, I mean, the sizes, what are they going to fit? Anyway, whatever. Oh, my camera's crooked. Look at that. All right, so I'll just show the rest of the pictures of all the other tools.
Hello? Don't touch.
Why not?
Ted. Ted. Homework. Ted. Homework.
You're doing homework. Don't touch it.
Yeah. Don't touch it.
Don't touch what?
Don't touch homework.
That's your homework?
Yeah.
Huh. Is that your mouse?
Right here.
Right there's your homework?
Yeah. You paint some.
Or food?
You paint mine.
What, your homework?
Yeah.
But you said don't touch it.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, I can touch it now?
Now.
Yeah?
Paint now.